Alright guys, this is a tutorial on how to create or how to answer your Module 4 test that you are taking today. Guys, I'm going to be honest with you, it's not a perfect world doing this virtually, and if this does not work out for you to do it on the computer, please answer with pencil and paper and turn it in to me when you get back to work or back to school on Monday. I'm going to show you how to do it online. If it doesn't work, you are allowed to use paper and pencil. Please know that is allowed. Alright, so you're going to click on Module 4 Test, and then right here you're going to have Google Drawings Module 4 Test. You're going to click on it. It's going to come up really long and skinny like this. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to click this drop-down button. Do not just click the magnifying glass. Click the drop-down button and hit 100%. Then you're going to scroll to the very top, okay? Don't worry about putting your name and date on there. You don't have to do that. I just took a copy of everything that I would have if I were printing it out. And to answer all the questions, you're going to click this drop-down next to this line. You're going to click Scribble, okay? Then you can use the scribble in your mouse to answer all the questions. So for example, it says draw a line plot for the following data measured in inches. So if I have 1 1/2, I know my 1 1/2 is going to be between 1 and 2. So I'm going to draw 1 1/2. Again, I'm just doing this with my mouse. 1 1/2. Okay. I have one of those, so I'm going to put 1x on top of it. Cross it out, we're done. Now I have 2 3/4. Well, here's 2. Here's 2 1/4. 1/4. 2 2/4. 2 3/4. Okay, so I can write down 2 3/4. And I'm going to put 1x on top of that right here. Okay, cross it out. Then I have 3. Well, I already have 3 on my line plot, so I'm going to do 1x on top of 3. And I'm going to keep going. The same goes with the rest of your math down below. You have a bunch of questions. These are very similar to the study guide we've worked on. But in order to solve digitally or to write your answers on here digitally, you are going to have to click Zoom, 100%, Line, Scribble, and you should be able to scribble. If something is small and you can't see it, go ahead and click Zoom in, and that should be able to help you see anything that you're needing. And to zoom out, you just hit Zoom out, okay? All right, guys, if this does not work and you need to do it on paper and pencil, that is totally fine with me. What I need you to do, though, is write down number 1 and then your answer, number 2 and then your answer. I know this isn't a perfect world, but this is due on Friday, or if you're doing it paper and pencil, you need to have it into me on Monday. If you have any questions, don't be afraid to reach out.